everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away free 700 orbs. I'll show you how to get it step by step, but before that, only 5.9% have subscribed to my channel. If you want to have a better chance of getting free Nitro, then make sure to join my server and subscribe now. Before I tell you about the 700 orbs offer, there's another promotion happening with Wendy and Wednesday, a really cool avatar decor collaboration. You just need to watch a 1-minute video. I'm not sure if the Wednesday theme is available in all Wendy's locations worldwide, but most likely it's only in the US, I guess. So yeah, just watch it and get the avatar. It looks pretty. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room. Discord has apparently collaborated with a game called Delta Force, which I am sure you've heard about it. Mind you that this is only for the PC version of Discord. Click that option Get Game. It will take you to Delta game page. Now according to the page, this game is available for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, Steam, Epic Store, PC, Google Play, and more. Since most people would use PC, just click the PC Windows option. Upon clicking, it will download the game. You can select your file or folder and install the game. For Epic Games, sign in or select your console platform here. For Steam, just download the app and get the game. You must also have an account on Steam. But make sure to also download Discord PC app on your laptop. Using Discord on website and doing this quest won't track your progress. It will only track when you use it on Discord PC. Also, Delta Force is a military shooting game. I played a similar game like this in my previous video where I got 700 orbs. Anyway, after getting the orbs, it will add up to your orbs balance, and you can buy any stuff here that fits in your budget. Let me tell you, buying badges and 3-day Nitro credit would be dumb. Just save up and buy cool avatar and profile effect. Anyway, do you know what's really free? The decors and layouts in my Discord server. So why not? Just join my server and get it. And if you are interested to learn some 2025 advanced tricks and hacks about Discord, just watch this video.